So hello guys, good morning or good evening, whatever it is. Hope you are all doing well. I'm back with a new video in which we are gonna learn about how to change the color of any object by just one click. For that, I'm gonna use Paint Bucket tool. In previous video, I already explained everything about Gradient tool. So this is a next tool of that group, that is Paint Bucket tool. Even though there are a lot of limitations of that tool, but it is still beneficial if you have right knowledge of that tool. So this is what we are going to learn in this video. But before watching this complete tutorial, don't forget to share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel with your family and friends. So let's enjoy the video after this introduction. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. To use the Paint Bucket tool, just right click on Gradient tool and you'll find second tool is Paint Bucket tool. Just click on this one. Now our Paint Bucket tool is selected. You may check this one. There is a little bit arrow bucket with paint. Now the second most important thing is color. To select the color, just click on this icon and select any color you wanna use to replace the particular color. For now, I'm gonna use red color. Simply click OK, and our red color is selected as a foreground color. Then there is a next step to replace any color. For now, I just wanna replace this blue color, so I will simply click anywhere in this color, and it will automatically replace every blue pixel with red one. Let's replace this one too, and it is replaced. To replace the precise color, there are things which you really need to take care about. The most important thing to replace the precise color is tolerance. Tolerance is a behavior of color, or in other words, it's a sensitivity of color. The value of tolerance is 0 from 255. 0 means it will select the least colors which are matched with each other. For example, our tolerance is 0. Simply click on anywhere. You may find there are a lot of glitches. It is not selecting the color precisely. Highest value is 255. So let's try it with this one. Now 255, it means it will select all those colors which are near about this blue color. I'm gonna click on this blue color and it will replace almost everything with a red one. There are few colors which are still pending. The default value of tolerance in Adobe Photoshop, that is 33. Let's check it with 33 if it works, if it replaces colors precisely. Simply click on this blue color and there you will find there are a lot of glitches which are still pending, which are still needed to be replaced. So for precise replacement of color, we are gonna play with the tolerance. I'm gonna play with it near about, let's say 95. Yep, it is working. And here, let's try on this one. Yes, it is working too. So if you are using Paint Bucket tool, then don't forget to play with the tolerance to get the accurate result of that particular replacement which you are going to do. So this is about replacement. Now let's learn about more tools of this Paint Bucket tool. Then there is one more drop down there, and that is foreground and pattern. If you want to just replace the colors, then foreground is best. Simply select the color and click over the area which you want to replace with. Or if you want to use any kind of pattern, you may use your custom patterns or default patterns. Then simply click this drop down and select pattern, and then select any pattern which you want to use. Suppose trees, grass. Suppose I want to use this grass. Then simply click anywhere in the colors and it will replace those areas with grass or with any kind of pattern your own created or by default patterns. So this is about pattern and foreground color. The next is modes. These all are blending modes. Suppose you want to make a special effect on your photo. Suppose I'm gonna select this multiple and it will show darker color. And if you wanna use the second category, it will show lighter colors. For example, screen, you can check it is making a special effect of that one. Or normal, it will simply replace the colors without any effect. Then the next one is opacity. You may decrease or increase the opacity between 0 to 100. For example, right now opacity is 50%. It is replacing only 50% of colors, or it is creating a new layer, I can say, with a 50% opacity only. Then the next one is tolerance, which I already explained. Then this is also a important thing, that is anti-aliasing. Anti-alias means it will make the edges more softer. It is also used in typography everywhere, or I can say if you want to make the edges more smoother, then you must use anti-aliasing. Just check this button to make the smoother edges. If you uncheck this button, then it will select all the colors in your canvas. Suppose this is blue one, I'm going to click on right side of this blue color, but it will replace all the colors near about blue color in all over the canvas. You may find it replaced blue with red, and there one too, but here and can check, and here there are a lot of glitches, so it means it is not going to work precisely as per our requirements. So we just need to check this button. If you check this button, then it will replace the colors in those particular areas. I suppose this is blue color, blue with yellow, and the next one is purple, so it is replacing colors with these areas only, because these another colors are divided the areas. And here we click on this one, then it will replace that area again, the next area which you are going to replace. Then next option is all layers. If you are working on multiple layers and you create a new layer to replace the colors, then you have to select all layers, because it will select the areas from all the layers. Or if you have multiple layers and you want to replace the color of any particular layer, then you must uncheck this button. So this is about Paint Bucket tool. Now let's discuss benefits and limitations of Paint Bucket tool. The benefit of Paint Bucket tool is it is a time-saving tool, because it replaces all the colors with just one click. And there is option of tolerance, which you can manage the preciseness of any color, and this is the major benefit of Paint Bucket tool. Now let's discuss limitations of Paint Bucket tool. If you have not equal colors or precise colors, then it would be difficult to understand for Photoshop like which color you want to replace. In this photo there are a lot of colors, light colors, dark colors, even though there are only few colors, but still it would be difficult for Photoshop to understand the exact replacement of that colors. For now, same red color, I'm gonna click anywhere. We should try still with reducing the tolerance value. So 32. You may check it's not working perfectly, because it is affecting on lightness or on darkness too. So for using Paint Bucket tool, there should be equal color values, equal lightness, equal smoothness, or equal hardness of any color too, then it will work perfectly. If you are working on any another photos, or suppose if you want to change the background of any harsh background, I can say, then it would be difficult for it. So this is about Paint Bucket tool. I hope you find it useful and you learn something from this tutorial, and you are gonna use this tool in your future projects. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. One more last thing, don't forget to subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel, and please share this video with your friends, or if you have any kind of question, then let me know in a comment section. So thank you so much for now. Bye bye.